Having Hope and Wade and Chris and the Get Your Teach On team has just been invaluable for the state of Indiana. It's a win-win for both our educators and our students. The teachers don't feel like they're being told what to do and here's how we're going to do it. They really are learning alongside, and then the students feel like they're enjoying their learning. When I was an educator at a local district, I saw Hope and Wade live in the classroom, and they just represented our profession as educators beautifully. Being an educator is the most important profession in our world, 100%. And we have to do more as a state, as a country, to elevate our education profession, and again, to just really keep the focus on why we're all here, which is kids. Get Your Teach On hits all of those key areas.